Moving into a new space can be exciting yet challenging. Let's explore some tips to help seniors make their new space feel like home, creating comfort and familiarity. Hey, I'm Julie Sabby of Vikings Homes, brokered by eXp Realty, and today I'm sharing some valuable tips on how seniors can make their new space feel like home. Let's discover how you can create a warm and welcoming environment in your home. Add personal touches to your new space by displaying cherished photos, artwork, and keepsakes. These items bring a sense of familiarity and warmth, making your new home uniquely yours. And select furniture that is both comfortable and functional. Consider pieces that fit your lifestyle and provide comfort, such as a cozy armchair or a practical dining table for family gatherings. Utilize color and lighting to set the mood in your new space. Soft, warm colors and well-placed lighting can create a cozy and inviting atmosphere, embracing the overall feel of your home. And establish a daily routine. Designate familiar spaces for activities you enjoy, such as reading or gardening. Having a routine and a dedicated space can help you feel more settled and at home. Get involved in your new community by attending local events or joining clubs or groups. Building connections with neighbors and participating in community activities can help you feel more at home in your new environment. Making your space feel more like home is about creating comfort and familiarity. By following these tips, you can transform your new space into a welcoming and personal sanctuary. If you're ready to downsize and need expert guidance, I'm here to help. Call me at 763-257-7231 or send me an email at julie@vikingshomes.com. Let's work together to ensure your downsizing journey is a positive experience. Remember, making a house feel like home is about adding personal touches and embracing your new environment. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to supporting you in your downsizing journey.